Alright. So my dad, he's going to replace the speaker. What he has to do, he has to cut this out. All of this needs to be cut out unless he wants to take the backseat out, but I don't think he wants to do that. What type of speaker is it?
8-inch subwoofer.
It's a 8-inch sub.
Yeah, factory subwoofer, Mark Levinson.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I gotta glue those back.
So this was on the outside, right?
Yeah, that's the grill.
Okay, so Dad, he's cutting it right now. I think he's gonna go, I think from here to like here, there to there. That's what I showed in one of the videos, but it's not easy to cut, obviously.
Speed this up. Let me get a wrench and speed this up.
So I guess Dad is finally, I guess he's like, wrench it out? What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm taking the bolt out.
Alright. What does that do?
This is what's holding the speaker onto the car.
So this helps like remove the speaker?
Here's one. Huh.
The tight squeeze.
Yes, ma'am.
How old is this speaker?
This is a factory speaker, so over 20 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Jesus.
It's time for a replacement.
Yeah.
So you're still on there. Pull it out and disconnect the wiring harness. Which is gonna be something in itself. There you go. Oy, hit that. There we go. Okay, it's out. There we go.
Well, that doesn't.
It looks new, but listen. Yeah,
What is that?
It's this. What it is this foam is supposedly separating, and it's making the voice coil bang into the magnet.
Oh, okay.
And that's what makes it that tapping sound. And it grounds out the speaker and makes your sound like crap. So then we gotta take this inside. We're done out here.
All right.
So we can stop everything.
I'll pause this.
Okay.
These are weird if you want.
Okay. Wire tie this to something. So it goes like that. This is going to be the corner it hangs from. Yeah, and the wire tie into that. Okay. Okay, what I've done is this is a dual voice coform speaker. So I wired this voice coils in parallel, positive to positive, negative to negative, and that puts it in 8 ohms, which makes it acceptable for the amplifier. So now we're going to install it. You can go install it.
So you're installing it?
Yeah, I'm putting it back. At least I'm trying to. There we go. Can't see, so I'm trying to. I think I got it. I'm not gonna screw it down yet. I just want to turn the car on first. Make sure it's working. I can't tell if it's in the right. No, it's not. There. That's it now. I'm gonna turn the car on and see what happens. Leave the keys inside. I think I did. I gotta change this music. This music's not right for this. Oh, I can already hear it. Okay.
Is your NPR station and listeners. Meditation for
all the music. You working?
Yeah.
You can see it moving?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, cool. Let me go and finish, put it back in now. At least we know it works.
Alright. So we did something.
Yes, we did something.